All right, talking weather now.
Yeah.
Again, we've seen the damage that's already happening from this, and you've been telling us that we were going to have some bitter winds.
Yes, so the winds continue to move in. We had wind gusts accelerate above 60 miles per hour just a couple of hours ago. So we'll show you the top wind gusts first, and then we'll show you the Doppler radar. Both Michigan City and Gary over 60 mile per hour gusts as this front blew through. Midway and Aurora at 58 miles per hour. Lockport at 56 mile per hour wind gusts. The winds are still strong, not nearly as strong as they were just a few hours ago, really between the 30 and 40 mile per hour range. Pulling in this Arctic air mass, we have a mixture of teens and 20s on the map right now, from 17 McHenry to 27 in Rensselaer. You factor in the wind. This is look at the wind chill. It feels like 0 Aurora, feels like 1 below McHenry, between 4 and 5. That's the feel like temperature across Cook County, and looking at some low teens in northwest Indiana. And accompanying this Arctic air mass, we have snow squalls that are moving in. That has prompted a snow squall warning for southern areas of Cook County. That continues to move off towards the south at about 30 miles per hour. So we're looking at potential for some snow-covered roads here. I-57, the Bishop Ford, then you get out here towards I-80 and also I-90 as you move into Lake County. And as this moves off towards the south and southeast, 30 miles per hour, that's going to move into Crown Point at 1029, Hanover at 1034, Cedar Lake at 1038. So plan on some gusty winds and the potential for some snow-covered roads that's going to cause some slick spots for you. Also, we have this snow squall moving across Kane County. It's been right over Aurora over the last couple of minutes. That's headed into Joliet in about 20 minutes. We'll get rid of the snow for most spots in the overnight. The exception is going to be around Michigan City. All day tomorrow, we're going to have that chance of some lake effect snow in LaPorte County. The rest of the area will actually see some sun, but it's not going to help temperatures. We've got temperatures that will be in the teens, but below 0 in terms of wind chill, anywhere from 6 to 7 below 0 tomorrow morning at 5 a.m. in Cook County, maybe as cold as 10 to 15 below 0 wind chills tomorrow morning in the far western suburbs, and temperatures in the afternoon only rebounding into the low to mid 20s. But look at the wind chill tomorrow, still in the teens, and even tomorrow afternoon into the early evening, some snow showers off the leg possible, but again, mainly in LaPorte County. Temperature's going to rebound. It's going to be a slow rebound, though. It's 30 degrees on Friday, 41 degrees on Saturday. A breeze out of the west-southwest will boost those high temperatures back into the 50s as we head towards your Sunday. That's above average. And then a new system comes in. That's going to bring us a chance of scattered rain first on Monday, a chance of some light snow Tuesday, and there's that cool air with that next system also. 36 on Tuesday, about 31 a week from today. But big jacket kind of day tomorrow, especially in the morning with those wind chills below 0 everywhere, potentially as cold as 15 below 0 in the far western suburbs. Watch out also for the roads. Visibility is dropping right now at times as low as 500 feet in some areas. That's going to create some slick spots too with the snow moving on in.
All right. Thank you, Albert.
All right.